Hello everyone, and thank you so much for watching today's video. If it's your first time on my channel, welcome. My name is Anne, and if you have been here already, welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to show you the best way on how you can apply pressed glitter. If you don't know what a pressed glitter is, this is an example. This is the Tati Beauty Volume #1 palette, and you can see at the top row of the palette it has all these pressed glitters. Pressed glitters are basically what the name says, like it's a pressed glitter into one of those pans, eyeshadow pans. I don't really know how you explain that in English. I actually used this glitter today for this eye look, which I'm going to demonstrate to you guys. I absolutely love it. If you use it in the correct way, you guys are gonna love it because it's gonna make your eye look so glamorous and it's so easy to achieve it. So in this video I'm going to use this palette right here. If you want to know how I created this whole eye look, I will make sure to link the link to that video in the description bar, because I'm not going to show you the whole eye look today. I'm really going to only show you like the part on how you can apply the pressed glitter. I wanted to make like a dedicated video where I just go really in depth on how to do this. So the first tip I want to give you, which I think is one of the most important, is that you want to use a shimmery color underneath the pressed glitter, and you want to make sure that it's kind of the same color as the glitter that you're using. So in this palette it's actually really nice because underneath every pressed glitter there's like a similar shade which is shimmery, which you can use underneath. I'm not sure if Tati, the maker of this palette, did that on purpose, but it's actually really nice because I used this shade right here underneath the glitter, and it just makes it look so beautiful. Pressed glitter on its own, you are gonna kind of see like space in between the glitters, which is not gonna make the glitter look really nice on the eyelid. You kind of want to fill up the space in between the glitters with a really similar color, like for example what I did today with this shade, and then when you apply the glitters all over the eyelid, it's just gonna look so much more amazing. I'm going to show you an example on my arm where you can see the glitter applied without any eyeshadow underneath, and an example when you use eyeshadow underneath, and it makes such a big difference. So if you have never tried this before, definitely try it out because it's gonna definitely make a huge difference, as you can see. Then now the next step, which is maybe a bit personal, but I think the best way to apply it is using your finger. I just noticed whenever I use a brush to apply the glitters, it just doesn't really go well. So you can just use your finger, which is so easy because you don't have to use a brush, you don't have to clean the brush. Obviously you have to clean your finger, but it's super easy, just use your finger. Then the next tip, which is really important, is that you don't want to smear it on your eyelids. You kind of want to make packing motions with your finger and kind of press it on the middle part of the eyelids. And this way you're gonna get like the most glitter payoff, and you will not ruin the eyeshadow underneath, because some eyeshadows actually have like a sticky consistency in the pressed glitter. So if you're gonna smear it on your eyelid, you might ruin the eyeshadow underneath. Maybe the eyeshadow is coming off, you're gonna see your skin, it's not gonna look good. So you wanna kind of make packing motions on top of the eyelids, and this is gonna give you like the most color glitter payoff. another tip, you don't want to use too much straight away. Like, it's better to start with a little bit and then you can like apply more. If you apply too much and maybe it doesn't look great, it's really hard to like get it off your eyelid without ruining your whole eyeshadow. So you might want to be a bit more careful with that. You start with like a little bit. I'm going to show you how much I will use. I will just swirl my finger in it, and this is like enough to start with. You can always go back in with more, but if you apply too much, it's hard to go back. So hopefully that's helpful. Now with glitter often comes fallout. Even though it's a pressed glitter, it can still drop on your face. So if you have already applied your face base, like your foundation and all of that, you don't want to ruin it. So a tip is just to use a tissue right underneath the eye and then apply the glitter all over the eyelids. This way the glitter is going to fall on top of the tissue and not on your foundation. I never really do this, but I do know a lot of people use this trick. I just make sure that I first do my eye makeup and then apply the glitter. But I can imagine like sometimes when I have already done my whole face makeup and maybe last minute I would decide to add a bit glitter. This is definitely a handy trick. You just press it against the skin. It's not gonna kind of ruin the makeup or anything if you just apply it really softly against the skin. And then the last tip, which is kind of optional, but maybe during the day you still experience like some glitter fallout because your eye obviously moves a lot, like you open it, you close it. So during the day there can be a bit of fallout underneath the eyes. Now if you want to prevent that, you can use a glitter adhesive. What you can do is apply a tiny bit of this on a brush or maybe even your finger if that works better for you, and then you apply it a little bit and really gently all over the glitter, and this is gonna make sure that it's kind of locked in place. I've done this a few times and I actually really like it, but I'm not really bothered myself personally. When I do get a few glitters, like I don't even care, but for those who do care, this is a trick which you can do to prevent that. Now when for some reason there did fall a lot of glitter underneath the eyes, there is a really good solution for that. It's not gonna fix everything, but it's definitely gonna make a difference. So all you need is a little bit of sticky tape. I take a piece which is like this size and I'm gonna kind of fold it in a circle. And you want to make sure that all the way around it's sticky. So then you can put it in between your finger and you're just gonna press it against your skin, and this is gonna pick up the glitters that are laying on top of your foundation. This is such a handy trick. Oh yeah, and of course make sure you don't press too hard. You don't want to mess up your foundation or concealer. Also, if you have any tips which I haven't mentioned, leave it down in the comment section. That would be so helpful. We can all learn from each other. And yeah, I just really hope this video was helpful. And also, if you have any more questions regards anything I've mentioned in this video, definitely leave your question in the comment section down below so I can answer to all of them. And yeah, I just hope you all enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye!